Sponsors, Casey eating in there. Good. Hey guys, Stella's here with Days at Dirt. We are in the shop. It is Tuesday. We're going to work on some sheet metal work again today. We did some videoing yesterday and showed you guys the filler and the nose and all that, but unfortunately the video turned out to be crap. I don't really know what happened. Everything was glare. He had a ghost around him. I don't really know, so we didn't post that one because the quality of the video was crap. So we did get a little bit done. We got the front of the nose back on. We got the filler done. Now we got to put the floppers. And he's working currently on the fenders. So he's going to work on the fenders and maybe the hood tonight. See if we can get all that done. Once we get all the sheet metal work done, that's going to be the most time consuming part. The left front over here is back together, as you can see. So we're good there. We checked caster and camber and all of that the other day. I think it was on Saturday, and all that's where he wants it to be. And so we're making some headway slowly but surely. It was a lot of work to do the last 2 weeks, and last week really was a waiting game. We didn't get any parts until Friday, so we really couldn't start working on it until Friday. That part kind of sucked because we had all that time where we weren't doing anything, but couldn't really do anything because we didn't have no parts. But that's what all we got done. Brad's over there in the corner working on the fender now. I think he's about to put it in the sheet metal brake and right there and bend it. So we'll see what all we get done tonight. We don't really set goals anymore and say, hey, we're gonna do, because we never get that done. But as you can hear outside, it's raining. It's been raining for 2 days. Over it, everything around here is flooding. We haven't had any real bad weather. We had some wind earlier, but for the most part it's just a lot of rain. Everywhere around here is flooded. Brad works for the county road department, as most of you guys know, and they were shutting off roads earlier, or closing down roads, so he's about to start working on that. Alright, so Brad and Christopher are getting this fender back together. Also, while they're working on that, if anybody is interested, we do have a sponsorship spot open here on the hood or on the fender. My gosh, he nearly got killed on nearly ended up in the motor. But anyway, the filler, we got a sponsorship spot available there. If anybody's interested, just contact us, bberryracing@yahoo.com.
Hold that down right there. Nice, a little harder. Where's it coming out at?
That's why I was scared of I thought it was gonna come out down there. But right here was where we had our Red Racing logo, and we're gonna open that up for a sponsor. So if you're interested, get in touch with us. Alright, so Brad's got the other one nearly finished now. Got that one on. That one's finished. That flopper's gotta go on. We gotta put a side on that. And then make the hood, and the front end will be finished. He's making a lot of headway tonight. Alright, so progress. Got that on there now. He's just gotta put that little piece on there that we ordered. What?
I can't hear you.
Yes, you can hear me. You can still hear me. Okay, I'll talk like this.
There you go, that's better.
So you gotta put that on there. All that's finished. All that is finished.
That looks like shit.
Just gotta get that one little piece right there done. Alright guys, so this is what all we got done tonight. Or him and Christopher got done. We did get that little piece on. That's on. Over here is finished. I didn't even show you the side of that one over there. That one is finished as well. So, front hand is done. Minus hood. He's gotta do a hood tomorrow. Hey guys, so day 2, we're in the shop today. Brad and Joel are working on the hood right now. As you can see, they're over there working on that. That is all finished. I showed you guys that last night. We just didn't get a chance to edit this video from yesterday, so we're just gonna do it all in one video. We've had some interesting conversations today. Chris is here somewhere. I'm just not real sure where he's at. Brad's cutting the hood.
Yeah.
What?
I need to figure something out.
What do I need to figure it out, man?
You're creative and artsy. I need you to figure out something with these thingy bobbers so that we can sell. Well,
Maybe I
I
was
need you to
showing.
figure.
Not his crotch,
Yeah.
but that thing right there is
I need you
I
to
was
figure.
showing it.
I need you to figure out something with this
This crotch.
with this thing and scrap metal. I need you to figure out a way to sell this so we can be rich.
What? Make it not no.
I thought she was going there.
No. That'd hurt. You know, there's some people that's into stuff like that, but not one of them. But anyway, no.
Or is this a racing channel, or lately is this a sex channel?
Oh, look, listen.
Okay.
Take you some gallon milk jugs, and you make you some decorative.
Shit, he's actually got some idea.
No, make you some decorative pigs. Like a pig out of a milk jug, and you can cut these in half, and there's your tail.
Your tail.
A pig.
What?
That's the best you can come up with.
Well,
Whatever you're going to use to be like that.
I don't know what else you're gonna do.
Hell,
It's not gonna make a very good slinky. So
I mean, I was thinking you know, you could have like two of them. One be a leg, another one be a leg, one be the body, and have some arms that you can position in like.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's your job though, that's not mine.
I ain't doing. Go put that in the metal scrap pile.
My pig idea is better than that.
You guys are working on getting the hood on. Brad's got the hood pin holes. Drill and that. Open up. That nearly knocked you in the face.
Oh, I thought it skint the hood.
Oh, I thought you were jumping because it nearly got you. What?
Hold up square. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Got it?
Hold on, Joel's getting it.
Since you're photographing.
Yeah, I'm photographing.
Got it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Well, it kicked a little bit.
I thought you said you had it.
Well, hang on a minute.
My God.
Would you get your magnet out of my shoe?
Hey, loosen it up.
No, you said you had it.
Well, there ain't a whole lot to grab onto up here.
Right there.
No, come on. Loosen it, Lynn.
What?
Loosen it.
What's that look like?
It's not bad, crooked.
Not bad.
A little bit more. All right, now it's straight as an arrow.
Oh.
Try
Well, I'm gonna have to get, hang on a minute. Hang on. You're tightening it and I said to hang on.
You said go.
No, I didn't. I wasn't holding it.
Why was you not holding it?
Because I need a pair of channel locks where I can hold on to it.
it'll scratch it.
Oh. There's nothing on this car scratch, Joel. Nothing. Why would you want to scratch that?
Well, them are new. Till Saturday.
I mean, we're not gonna talk like that.
Better?
Yep.
Good. I'm gonna be ready for it. Let me put the coffee to it.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus.
How
Hey.
come I ain't got one of them chrome things?
'Cause I ain't gave it to you yet.
Because you're not special. You don't get one of them prom things. Try.
Are you gonna do this one over here or what?
Yeah, bring it down this one.
Alright, Chris is gone. He's tapping out.
I'm tapping.
He's been a wuss. He's too tired. He gotta go in with his Omar hat.
See, Joel. Hey, be careful, Chris.
What?
Feel that power for that straight.
We almost killed it on you earlier, but he didn't know if the air conditioner was on. A train. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap us up tonight.
I've been trying, buddy.
Front end is completely done. Everything's good to go, ready to go.
He said it's time to go yet.
Oh, he's cleaning up. It's ready to go. It's time to go.
I'm just cleaning up.
He's just cleaning up because the shop lady's cleaning up.
Alright, so anyway, ignore them. Thanks to all of our sponsors, KT Heating and Air, Superior Baron and Supply, Busy Days Oil Service, and Volume Motorsports. Also thanks to...
I said I'm done.
Okay, Chris said he's done.
Hey.
Thanks to Vinson Race Engines
These rat droppings? What's this?
for everything he does for our team, and I don't really know what's going on.
Something beneath the bottom of it.
Chris, what is that?
It
No,
wasn't there earlier.
that's foam. That's foam shaving. Get a lighter. You got a lighter? See if it don't go up in flame.
What is it about?
Oh, I thought about this the other day, Joel. I'm sure you'll appreciate it.
What's he gonna appreciate?
You toting that fan across the room?
Yep.
Oh, you gonna put it in the bathroom?
Yep.
You gonna have a room to move in
Oh,
there?
yeah, I mean, I'll be knocking my head off on it and everything else, but
Oh, I thought Chris was going to get a lighter. I guess he was going inside.
I'm going inside.
He just said he's going to get a lighter and didn't come back. Alright, guys. So that's going to finish us up for tonight. Again, thanks to our sponsors, KC Heating and Air. Good. What was that? Was that your head?
No, I don't.
What was that?
Well, I kind of tripped.
You nearly knocked that whole box off the wall.
What box?
That one. The thing
I thought it was Chris doing it messing with her.
Oh, I tripped.
Well, if y'all pick some of this crap up out here, you wouldn't be tripping all over it.
That was away.
God. That hurt.
Oh my gosh.
What'd you fall into?
Anyway, let's try this again. I've been trying for 3 minutes. Thanks to KT Heating and Air, Superior Bearing Supply, Busy Days Oil Service, Volume Motorsports, and Vinson Race Engines for all they do for our race team. We will be at Thunderhill Saturday night. Be looking out for another video coming out.
You. Where?
Yeah, yes, like it. Anyway, be looking out for another video coming out. I'm sure we'll have one coming out before we head to the racetrack on Saturday. We've still got a lot more to do. But that's gonna wrap us up. What are you looking like that for?
Who's gonna edit all this videos?
You are. You're gonna edit them all. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.